we? What? Oh my gosh, we are alive! Quick, everyone, get on the wing. Oh, nah, that's our plane. He's alive. That sure did save her life. It looks like the crew did not make it through. I mean, don't. The narrator corrects me. Get on the floating wing. A moment of silence. What is that noise? Let's go. Oh no! Wait. Get on down in the wing! Wait, where's the... Hey, look! We are drifting towards an island! Oh, heck no. No! No, don't die! Don't die! No, don't die! Oh, no! Dang it! We are drifting the island! We don't die! We're not gonna die, guys! We're going into justice, dude! I'll be the captain! Guys! Me, the captain! Okay, we get to the island! About to be through! Yay! We're finally hecking here, dude. Camera. Johnny! Okay, be the captain! Come on, guys. Hey! Stop! See, we made it! What the heck? Where are we? Are we at an island? I found apple. What the heck is that? Apple. We found apples. Oh my god, my health is 93. What about 53? We found apple. We keep guys. Let's get the apple. I think we found something to eat. It's apples. Yeah, apples. Right. We need to find food right now and build our shelter. I found food. Apple. There must be food in this forest somewhere. We found apple already. Let's start. Yeah, we found apple. We found apples. I found an apple. I have found some apples for us to eat. Oh, do not eat them. Don't eat the apple. It's poison. Don't eat the poisonous apple. I hope none of us didn't eat it. I want to eat it. I want to eat it. What? What about that monster we saw? Oh no, it turned 8 o'clock. It turned 8 o'clock at the night. What was this here? With eyes! Discuss about the strange monster you seen earlier. Wait, what's the strange monster we seen earlier, Johnny? What is it? I took a barrel over here. Yeah, I just saw a red light, and that was actually the monster. Yeah.